I have a very simple goal, which is that I want people to be surprised. I want people to be delighted. I want people to laugh or smile or have a reaction. My name is Lieberman. I'm an artist and educator based in New York, and I work with software, specifically writing code in order to make art and poetry. The first version of this exhibit was in Art Tech House, DC. Many of the pieces from that original exhibit are here in new forms or presented in a different way. I really love sketching, and really this exhibit is like living in my sketchbook. I feel so much joy making things, experimenting, messing around, and playing in this space, and I want people to experience that joy. I studied fine arts and I had to get a job, and everybody was doing web design, and I discovered a tool called Flash where you could animate with code, that you could say, you know, x equals x plus 1 and just have an object move across the screen. And for me, that was so beautiful to see this idea of taking language, taking words and turning it into movement. And from that moment, the moment that I typed x equals x plus 1, I was completely hooked. I fell in love with this, and I really wanted to spend the rest of my life exploring what you could do with this tool. Everything you see here in this exhibit comes from a text file. Everything is me writing, for int I equals 0, I less than 20, I plus plus. And it's the language that makes the visuals. All of the projects here touch on some form of communication. They explore how we present and how we see ourselves in the world. So for me, that is what I think a primary aspect of poetry is to understand what it means to be human, what it means to be alive. So these projects are about exploring that. You know, I post these things all the time online. I post daily sketches, and you get all kinds of feedback. But one of the best things that I got was just this tiny note, and it said, "I was having a bad day. I saw your work. It made me happy, and my day is better." And it just was like, it's so simple, right? Which is like, I did something and like I made somebody's day better. And I think that's what the joy of making and sharing is, to try to make somebody's day better.